Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about water bottles. Any type of water bottles that are not pre-filled from the factory. So even this is considered a water bottle for today's topic. But first, before we get into that, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please click down below on the subscribe button there and then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, a thumbs up will help me out with YouTube's analytics. And if you know of anybody that might be interested in these type topics, please share it out on social media. Alrighty, so let's get on with this and we will talk about water bottles. Okay, so for water bottles, back in the day when I was a kid, we didn't have water bottles. We had canteens. We had all sorts of canteens, metal canteens, plastic canteens, the ones that had the cloth on the outside of it, you know, so it got damp, it helped keep it cool. What we used them for is, you know, we were going out on a short little hike or whatever, or out riding our bikes for most of the day. We'd fill up one of the little army canteens we got, put it on our belt, and go out riding so we'd have water with us. Well, the same thing is good for today. And basically, it's been expanded a lot for, you know, other activities as well. I know my wife takes a water bottle to work that she puts her flavored water in, so you know she doesn't taste the nasty water they have at work. And there are a whole assortment of water bottles that you can use. There are a whole bunch of plastic ones, the ones that have the straw in it and you suck on it. There are the type that have the lid where you just open it up and then you drink it down. And some of these come that are well, it's kind of washing out because this is green as well. So with the green plastic or the metal. So there are a bunch of different types of water bottles. Use them at work. You're out in the yard doing yard work or in the garden, you know, rather than having to go back in or drink the water out of the hose, you can have your water bottle with the water or flavored water that you want with you. These have some nice little, you know, carrying hooks on them that you know, for carrying around. You can put a carabiner on there and clip it on your belt. Some of these others have a little more stout one for the carabiner. You just, you know, hook onto your belt. That's what I used to use these for at a scout camp. Traveling, if you're traveling a long distance in the car, you're gonna get thirsty. So having some of those in the car with you is a better option than just having those disposable plastic bottles you get from the store. Plus, you know, you can put whatever flavoring you want into it. If you want to put flavoring into it, if you're going to flavor them, the metal ones don't hold the flavor. The plastic ones, some of the flavorings and stuff will get into the plastic and it'll have a residue taste to it. So the thing is, you know, you're supposed to be drinking, you know, upwards of a gallon of water a day throughout the entire day. A portable plastic water bottle or metal water bottle is the thing to help you make sure that you have water to survive, because water is the second rule of the rules of three. The first rule is 3 minutes without air, you die. 3 days without water, you die. That's the second rule. 3 weeks without food, you die. That's the third rule. So it's the second rule of the rules of three. Make sure you have your water, because you know you don't want to get dehydrated during working in the yard or just normal activities. All right. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish, and stay prepared. All right. And I'll see you in the next video.